Welcome to the Philippine Amusement and Entertainment Corporation, or PAEC, the biggest creator and operator of fun, innovative, and immersive educational attractions across the Philippines. We're passionate about blending culture, science, art, and technology to inspire learners of all ages. Whether you're a student, a family, or just curious about the world, PAEC invites you to explore some of the country's most exciting museums and learning spaces. Let's get started. Discover Lakbay Museo, where history and culture come alive. Walk alongside life-size statues of national heroes and presidents, explore regional crafts, taste local treats, and meet native farm animals. It's a hands-on journey through Filipino traditions, fun and meaningful for learners of all ages. Enter the glowing world of Filipino legends at Tales of Illumina, the country's first multi-sensory folklore museum. Explore mythical creatures, epic stories, and enchanted landscapes that spark imagination and cultural pride. Perfect for anyone who loves stories and magic. Explore where science meets pop culture at the Omniverse Science Museum. Interact with iconic characters, explore cutting-edge tech displays, and let your creativity soar. Great for curious minds young and old. Get creative at Craft Academy, the country's first creative learning studio where you can design and make your own art, soaps, candles, and even baked goodies. With expert instructors and a playful space, it's perfect for makers and creators of all ages. Imagine making a difference at Changemaker 2040, where you learn about sustainability and global citizenship through interactive exhibits that inspire action and leadership. A powerful experience for future changemakers everywhere. Experience science like never before at Science Museum. Meet giant animatronic dinosaurs, see detailed human anatomy displays, and get hands-on with experiments in a huge 4,000 square meter space. Science is for everyone, and it's super fun here. Travel the globe without leaving the country at Ticket to the World. See replicas of the Seven Wonders, iconic landmarks, and natural wonders from every continent. An amazing way to build global awareness and cultural appreciation for visitors of all ages. Jump into fun at Boogie Bounce, Metro Manila's largest inflatable play park, where everyone, from kids to adults, can bounce, climb, and race through colorful obstacle courses. Learning through active play? Yes, please. Dive into the future at Amusement, the Philippines' largest digital immersive museum. Experience art and storytelling like never before with stunning digital projections and interactive displays. Embark on a hands-on science adventure at Science Expedition Cebu, featuring interactive experiments and lifelike wax figures of great scientists. Engage with science at SciScape, where you don't just learn, you live it. Board real machines, try exciting experiments, and unlock the secrets of technology and nature. Ideal for curious explorers of all ages. Think beyond the usual at Outside the Box, a one-of-a-kind creative museum where imagination knows no limits. From optical illusions and mind-bending installations to interactive art that you can touch, twist, and play with. Step inside the can at the Mega Sardines Museum. A fun, fishy, and fascinating look at the sardine industry from ocean to table. Get to know how your favorite sardines are caught, processed, and packed with care through interactive exhibits and even a mock sardine factory. Reconnect with nature at Yoki's Farm, a unique farm experience that blends learning, adventure, and sustainability. Meet rare animals, explore hydroponic gardens, and discover how modern farming works in fun, interactive ways. It's a living classroom where kids and families can learn, play, and grow together. Discover, play, create, and explore, right here in the Philippines. Your next great adventure awaits with Philippine Amusement and Entertainment Corporation.